Have you ever wondered what's going on inside the body when you fast? Well, today I'm gonna take you deep inside the molecular level of the cell. And I'm gonna take Islamic fasting for this case. Let's start with our modern way of life. So basically, constant eating, snacking, grazing, all this lead to chronic nutritional toxicity. And it's a state where our system never gets a real break from constant eating. What if there is a scientifically proven and biological reset button? Islamic fasting is not a way of torturing or starving yourself. It's a trigger for some hormonal and genetic reprogramming of the cell. First of all, we have the hormonal reset. So first we have the insulin reset. So let me first explain the concept of insulin resistance. The insulin is a hormone that is responsible of breaking down the sugar inside your cells. And when you eat too much, your cells get tired of the insulin that tries to enter your cells through the insulin receptors. And by time, they lose signals for insulin and become less sensitive. So fasting gives your cells a break and an ability to regain this sensitivity back again. And a great side effect of that is you give your body a chance to finally get rid of this stubborn visceral fat. And the visceral fat is the fat that is stored for years around your organs. Next, we have the growth hormone. Did you know that fasting increases your growth hormone level by up to 2000%? What do the growth hormone benefits your body? Protects the muscles from breakdown, repairs the skin, stimulate collagen, and promote biological youth. Third, we have the cleanup reset, also known as autophagy. And this is a big deal in biology. It's the body's natural process of recycling old damaged cells and replace them with new cells. When the energy levels in the cells drops, it activates an enzyme responsible for stop manufacturing and start recycling, and eventually leads to toxin clearance. And you can think about it as the microscopic vacuum cleaner that rids the brain of toxins. Fourth, powering the brain. So after 12 hours of fasting, your liver starts to convert fat into ketone bodies. And the ketone provide more energy than the glucose. That's why scientists and philosophers fast when they search for the truth, because it's unlikely to experience brain fog. And wait, it gets even better. Fasting induces the production of a powerful protein called BDNF. And this protein induces the production of new nerve cells, especially in the hippocampus, which is the center of learning and memory in the brain. So without exaggeration, fasting literally makes your brain bigger and smarter by preventing it from degeneration. And last but not least, the genetic repair. So we have a gene called sirtuins. And this gene is a survival gene that gets activated in a survival mood such as fasting. So they wake up when the body needs to protect itself. And their job is absolutely critical. Sirtuins are like a DNA repair crew, patching up breaks into our genetic code. They also protect our telomeres. And the telomeres are the protective cap at the end of our chromosomes. And the shorter they become, the closer the person to aging. And scientists have proven that fasting slows down the shortening of these telomeres, which means extending the biological life of the cell. So let's sum it up. Fasting is the complete reset of your body. It resets the endocrine system, it activates the cellular autophagy, superfuels the brain, and repairs the DNA code. And the Islamic fasting, which is a dry fasting, which is abstaining from water and food, is more efficient than the water fasting. Therefore, dry fasting is the button to return your body into its original factory setting. All this information and more, you can find it in my book, Why the Lifestyle of Islam Always Wins. You can find it in the link below.